How to use Amazon gift cards. Got a gift card? This guide shows you how to use Amazon gift cards so you can pay for orders with them. First, you need to redeem a gift card and add the balance to your account. Go to the main menu and find the gift card section. Tap on Redeem a gift card and enter the unique code on your card. The balance will be added to your account. You can also use the gift card during checkout. Go to the checkout page and you'll see a section that says gift cards and promotional codes. You can either add a new gift card or select the one that you've already added to your account. The amount will be deducted from your gift card balance. If the total cost of your order is less than a gift card balance, the remaining balance will stay in your account and can be used for future purchases. If the cost is more, you can pay the remaining amount with another payment method like a credit card. You now know how to use Amazon gift cards. Get ready to pay for your orders with them. Like and subscribe for more app tips.